Hi there, it's Mark Sebastian, founder of Option Pit, and this is the Vol Report reminder. This is for education purpose only. Shouldn't be considered best advice. Options do have risk. So here we are, and there was some European trade thingy bingies flying around. I think that's what's driving us today. Earnings have been kind of a mixed bag. IBM had great earnings today. Some of the other ones have not. I think that is one of the pieces that's driving stuff. But so far, we've got the S&P down what amounts to 12 points, so 0.43. The Dow's down half a point, led by American Express, which is having problems today. And you see the NASDAQ. But I would point out, again, my canary, the Russell 2000 is about to go green. That does not point toward a sustainable sell-off. When you see the Russell going green like it is now, that typically points towards some sort of turnaround. So my gut says that we're going to see these guys get a lot closer to green as the day drags on. If the Russell, softens up significantly, that could change. But everything I'm looking at tells me this is a fade. AXP, down decently, but look at IBM. Look at them actually performing on earnings. Pretty impressive, IBM, I gotta say. So what else am I watching? We have earnings, some pretty big earnings today. Microsoft, I think, is the biggest, and that is the one that's driving everything. You can see, wow, what a after the bell. So it's actually off, but Microsoft has had such a nice 5-day run. I'll show you. This is the 5-day chart. There'll be data in there in a minute. There it is. So, an interesting 5-day run. It went all the way up to about over 106 and is now right back to once it started. So there may be an opportunity to play that bullish, especially if it gets softer. I may look at that. Apple's up today. Amazon is down. You've got Google is pretty not really down very much for how hard the EU came down on them. And again, we see Goldman getting punched in the chin today, along with your JP Morgan, some of the other names, because financials are down. So, looking at the sectors, biotechs are down. You've got energy finally up after getting slapped around the last few weeks. You've got the utilities looking strong, kind of not entirely, and then consumer discretionary. So, I see a big bowl of nothing right now. I think it's going to be a snoozer, and like I said, I think today's an interesting day. With how strong the market has been, today's an interesting day to find some names I like and trade them. Intel might be kind of interesting here. But yeah, there's some names out there. Another name we're going to look at that we played with is GE. They have earnings tomorrow morning. They've had such a bad run. I think that they're an IBM candidate. In other words, bad company, good earnings, goes higher. I think that absolutely sets up. All right, everybody. I'm looking forward to trading some of this stuff today. It should be a good one. If you have questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com, or you can call me 88-TRADE-01.